Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? I'm Erica. Today I just created this really fun makeup look. This makeup look might look pretty intense, but it's really low key, it's really simple, and I would say it was pretty easy to accomplish. Maybe you can use a little more mascara though. I just wanted to create this really easy look. I created this really easy, like simple, fresh skin makeup look from this Instagram picture that I saw. I'll insert like a picture or a video if I can. But I was just really inspired. I really liked how it looked on the model, and I was just like, wow, like it looks, I don't know. Honestly, this eyeshadow product that I use honestly stays on my lids all day, and it looks really fucking like neon and really cute. So if you guys are into that, totally check that out. Also, before I start this look, I just want to say that today's video is sponsored, #ad. I just want to mention this shirt that I got from this website called Diosa. This is a shirt that my cousin and her really good friend created on their website. So if you like my shirt, or like you want to see what other clothes they have some really cute stuff, then you should totally check them out. Like, help a sister out. She's literally my cousin. She's really into clothes. I'm really into makeup, so we're just like the duo. I just paired this shirt with this cute turtleneck that I have, and it has like little ruffled sleeves. I honestly really like this shirt, and I'm here for it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Comment down below if you like this look, or if you were inspired by this look, or anything like that. You can also let me know of any video ideas you have. But yeah, that's it. Before I start my makeup, I just want to mention that I use this face cleanser to clean my face before I start applying all my moisturizer. Today I'm going to be using my Clinique moisturizer to prep my face for this look. I'm taking quite a bit on my hand, and I'm just going to start putting this all over my face. I'm also going to apply my multivitamin eye cream. I'm applying this to my under eyes just so when I wear my concealer it just looks a little better. I just want my under eyes to look really healthy, and I don't want them to like get dry easily when I put powder on them. For this video, I was going to focus like a little bit more on skincare. I don't think the look is going to be anything crazy. It's going to be kind of basic, but still easy to accomplish. I also just sprayed this all over my face. Okay, finally we are starting on the makeup. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just going to use like a pump of it. I find that if I use too much that it can like kind of clump up. So like, I'm just using a little amount. Oh my god, my eyebrows. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that like my favorite primer is the Becca Backlight primer, but lately I just bought this one and I think it's pretty good. Also, I lost my Becca one, so we're just going with Milk right now. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I usually use a lot more than this, but today I'm just gonna try not to. We'll see. Okay, I basically just put that foundation everywhere just to make sure like all of my face is the same color. Next, I'm going to be taking this ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to use this to bronze and contour my face. I've been doing this a lot lately because I feel like it really helps your bronzer from not looking too powdery, and it just kind of blends into the skin like you're naturally bronzed. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm using the Jeffree Star sponges. I've been using them for a minute and I really like them. Like, this little one is really good for blending out bronzer and concealer. It's okay if the bronzer looks a little chunky. We're still gonna put on concealer, so I won't look like I'm trying to be super tan. I'm going in with my Jouer concealer, in the shade Chiffon. I just did my brows off camera really quick. Now I'm gonna blend out my concealer. And before my concealer starts creasing on my under eyes, I'm just gonna lightly set them. Oh wow, that was a little heavier than I thought, but that's okay. I don't like to heavily set my face, but I also want it to last all day, so it's like, I don't know, you can never have both. So I just set my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm wiping away this powder. I'm just gonna quickly set my eyes with my Morphe eye primer. Next, I'm literally just gonna throw a color in my crease. I told you guys this look was really simple, so I'm using my Dream Street palette, but you could honestly use whatever. I just mixed these two colors, and I'm just gonna put them on my lid. Oh my god, I think I had leftover like orange eyeshadow on this brush. That's okay. Also, excuse my wet hair. By the end of this video, it will probably be dry. I'm gonna spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. My goal for this look is to not look super powdery and just to look like I'm wearing zero makeup and that I'm just flawless. The next essential part to this look is this Milk Makeup eye pigment. This is in the shade Mermaid Parade. I just put some of the pigment on my hand. I basically saw this really cute Instagram video, I think on the Milk Makeup Instagram. And I was like, holy fuck, that's literally so cool. I need to buy that. So now I'm just applying this literally just to my eye. I'm just tapping it in. It's really easy to work with, I feel like, and you don't need that much product to get your desired look. Oh fuck. Okay. I low-key fucked up on the bottom, but it's okay. I'm just going back into my transition shades so this looks blended out. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got some motherfucking eyeshadow on my eye where I didn't want it, so I'm probably just gonna fix that with some concealer or something. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and BRB. My two eyes definitely look a little different, but I'm totally gonna fix it. It's fine. I'm taking my ColourPop Super Cheek like highlighter thing, and it's in the shade Flexitarian. I'm using this to highlight my inner corners because I feel like it's a really pretty like cool toned highlight, so it can go with my cool toned looks. And then I feel like that pretty much covered up like the discoloration that I created, so that's fun. Next I'm applying bronzer and blush. I'm using the Buxom blush. I feel like it does make your blush stay on all day. It's not like a matte formula, which I love. Matte formula blushes aren't my favorite, so I pretty much really like this blush because I feel like there's still like a shine to it. Hopefully you can see me okay. I'm gonna spray again with my Morphe spray. Next, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm gonna be using the ColourPop BFF Volumizing Mascara. I haven't used this in a while, but from what I remember, I like it. I'm highlighting with my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I feel like this highlight does a really good job at making your skin look wet. It's like the best one I've found so far at doing that, but I'll definitely let you guys know if I find some better ones. It's definitely my favorite look to go for. I'm going to do my lips. I fucking love this shit. I really need to buy some more. I'm just overlining my lips with my Buxom liner. I feel like this is like my lip color but better, like perfectly. My boyfriend actually got this for me. Shout out to him. Lastly, okay, second to lastly, I'm using my Jeffree Star liquid lip in the center. It's in the shade Mannequin. Of course, we're gonna spray the face again. Next, I'm gonna apply my Fenty lip gloss. I have the clear one and it's in Diamond Milk. I just wanted to create this really fun, juicy makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like and a thumbs up. Oh, that's the same thing. Give this video a like and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more videos over summer, so make sure to watch those upcoming videos. I want to try vlogging. Let me know if you guys would be down. I've never done it before and I don't want to look like a weirdo, like walking down the street with like my iPhone, like me vlogging. But yeah, let me know.